Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we making today? We are making meat pie. Yeah, the first thing I did, I boiled the potato. Yes, and the next thing I'm doing now, I'm going to do the meat pie sauce. Yes, I'm using veggies, combination of veggies. I'm using corned beef, curry, and thyme. Not too much on this for the sauce, and I'm going to use my maggi. That's no, then I've had a bit of salt, and that's all. Before we know it, our sauce will soon be ready. Guys, kindly comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Like I used to say in all my videos, or most of my videos, that your comments, your likes, your share keeps me going. Yes, it actually keeps me going. It can encourage me to do more and more. And we all know no knowledge is wasted. You can always share your knowledge with others so that people can also learn from you. Yes, before we know it, our sauce is ready. Yes, our sauce is ready. I've done the dough down, so I'm just rolling it so that I can form the shape, the meat pie shape. Now, as you can see, I've added the sauce on the dough shape, and I use my fork. Yes, the meat pie shape I have the smaller one. I didn't know I ordered the smaller one. Yes, our meat pie is ready. Thank you. Bye.